In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 57, which covers verse number 134 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse address, the legacy is not enough, you earn what you do. Up to this point, we've covered the first 133 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Quran deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Quran. Let us now begin with verse 134.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Tilka ummatun qad khalat laha ma kasabat wa lakum ma kasabtum wa la tus'aluna amma kanu ya'malun.
Now they were a people who passed away. Theirs is what they have earned, and yours is what you have earned. You shall not be asked concerning what they did. The words of the verse.
وَلَا تُسْأَلُونَ عَمَّا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ.
You shall not be asked concerning what they did. What is being said here is that even though they might be their offspring in terms of blood, relationship they had, in fact, no true relationship with them. What right did they have to pretend to belong to them when they had departed far from their way? For God would not ask people what their forefathers did. It was rather about their own conduct and action that they would be questioned. Was theirs is what they have earned is a characteristically Qur'anic expression. What we ordinarily characterize as either action or doing is termed by the Quran as earning. The reason is that each and every human action has its ultimate effect, whether or not it is good, and will have its manifestation in God's approval or disapproval. It is this ultimate effect which is a man's earning. Since the Quran considers this to be of paramount importance, it characterizes man's actions as his earning. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 57, covering verses 134 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Insha'Allah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 134. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Quran and act upon its teachings. Keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, Insha'Allah, and Allah Hafiz.